Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you guys how you can copy one Wix website page and paste it on the other Wix website page. For this, I'm quickly going to tell you guys that you need to go to wix.com, log in and sign up, and click on the design side. It will direct you to this design side. I have chosen this template and I will show you guys how to copy one of these pages and paste it on the other website. So here you see, let me show you guys, there are a large number of options on the Wix. I love Wix. I personally love to use Wix because even in this template, there are a large number of options that are given. It gives me the options. So I'm just going to move to pages and menu. Let's just click on it. Here you see the template I have chosen has so many pages: home page, about page. This is the about page. This is the support us page here. This is the news page. These are all pages which are present on my website. Each template has its own pages. This is the event page. This is the podcast page, contact page, terms and conditions, privacy. After clicking on pages and menu, you can adjust the pages, you can edit the pages, you can even delete the pages. So let's just say that I am more into deleting a page. Let me just show you guys how to delete it. This is the three button option that is given. Simply click on this button and it is going to give you the option to duplicate it or copy it. I'm looking forward to copying it. In this way, you can copy it and simply paste it on the other design side on Wix. This is very easy. Simply go to the pages, and in this way, you would be directed to the page. You can click on the copy. Here, when you copy it, this support us page has been copied. Now, I need to go to the dashboard because I need another site. Let me just show you guys. I have actually used this website, this site, or this design site. I've used this template, and on this template, I have used the support us page, and I have clicked on the copy page, and in this way, my support us page has been copied. Let me just show you guys the site that I've used. I have used this side, I have used this design side. And from this design side, now I'm going to use another design side. Simply go to the three dots, click on the create new site, and quickly create a new site. If you already have a site where you can copy and paste it, you can do that, but I don't have any, so I'm going to create a new site. Skip every option. You can edit, you can use the type of the website you want according to whatever you want, but quickly you can select the name of the site. I'm skipping these options. You can choose your goals. You can use different apps. Continue to the dashboard. Now, after continuing to the dashboard, it has directed me to my dashboard. Just click on design site. Now you can use a template or you can generate the design of your own. I'm going to pick a template, click on it, and here there are hundreds of different templates that are given. I get confused every time I have to choose a template. Let's just use a coming soon landing page. Edit. I'm going to click on this edit page and it is going to direct me to my second site that I have used. This is the site where I am going to paste my support us page that I had copied from my previous website. Just let it load and I'm going to use the same options to paste it. Here it is preparing my site. So easy. You see, this site has its own theme. So the support us page that I had copied from the previous website, I am going to adjust the design of that page according to this theme. Go to pages and menu, go to the simply right click and you have the option to paste. You have the option to paste and apply the site theme. If we just paste it, the Support Us page has been copied. You see, the theme is according to the previous website. It is according to the previous template, no changes. But what if I want it to look and I want to adjust it according to this theme? What I'm going to do is click on the home page, right click, paste and apply the site theme. It will apply. You see here, this is so cool that it has adjusted the theme. It has adjusted the support page according to the theme of my new website. Here, let me just compare it for you guys so that you will realize how the theme has been changed. This is light blue, that was purple and bluish color. This is the page that I have used. I have deleted it. You can adjust it on your own as well. But I'm looking more into the theme that I had adjusted. So I'm going to choose the page above. You can also make number of changes into these. I'm going to use this one because it has its theme that is changed. Now let's just compare it. I would like to compare it and show you guys how this page. I am so amazed. Each time I come on Wix, I am amazed by several features. Let's just preview it and show you guys first. This is how it's going to appear on the screen. It does not resemble to the previous theme in the previous side. This is how it was. Let me just show you guys. Go to the pages and menu. Go to the Support Us page. And this was the Support Us page of the first website that I had shown. Here, dark blue, not resembling to the other color. And look at this one. This is completely changed. So I hope you guys understood how to copy one page and paste it on the other. Thank you so much. See you guys again.